Hello crafting, welcome back to my channel Ibi's Fine Crafties. I am Ibiwari. If you're a new subscriber, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today we'll be making a DIY Crinoline Fascinator. It's quick and easy but comes out looking elegant. So let's get crafting. Some of the items you see on this table was used to make a headband, which is not part of the video, just so you know. So for this project, we'll be needing some items which will be listed in the description box below. We'll be needing our brooch, we'll be needing our scissors, CHC glue, our thread, our needle, and of course we'll be needing our crinoline. For the brooch, I was just indecisive which one to use, so that's why you're seeing two, but you need only one brooch. For this project, I used crinoline of 56.5 inches length, but you can make it longer if you want your final work coming out looking flamboyant, or you can make it smaller to your preference. But for this project, I used 56.5 inches length crinoline, and I used the big size crinoline, which is about 7 inches width, so you know, not the small crinoline, the big one. Then if you check the crinoline, you'll see one end has a thread running through it while the other end does not have. So you just pull the thread from that the beginning part, then you start pulling along. While you're pulling, it will be forming gathers. So please pull gently, because if you pull forcefully, the thread can break and you can't make use of it again. So you just pull gently along the line as you go. So once we pull a bit from one end, we'll move to the other end and start pulling again towards the center. So we are pulling towards the center from one end, then now I'll move to the other end and start pulling towards the center also. So when you move to the other end, kindly hold the thread of the first where you started from. Hold the thread, so don't let it go. If not, you can pull it out of this end you're starting with again. So just take note of that. So while you're pulling, you hold the thread you started with, so it won't lose out from this other end we are pulling now. So we gently pull towards the center, forming our gathers. It's quick and easy and simple to do. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and join the craft team for more millinery tips, headwear tutorials, and fashion accessory DIYs. Look at what we got. It's already looking beautiful. I don't know, I'm really excited whenever we are making a new design. So just pull. Once you don't feel any movement along your gathers line, you bring your thread together and make a knot to secure in place. Now this one is just to secure, because we'll still be using our needle and thread to secure it further. So once you don't feel any movement again along the line while forming the gathers, secure it by making a knot with the thread from the both end. Then bring the two fraying ends together. Then we'll make a running stitch. Now the running stitch I'll be making will be I'll start from the center outwards. From the fraying ends that I bring together, I'll start making it from the center outwards. The reason for the running stitch is to help keep the fraying ends together and pulling it towards the center. That's just basically it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and share this video. Some other person might find it helpful also. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first persons to be notified when a new video drops. We have more tutorials coming up on headwear, millinery tips, and fashion accessory DIYs. You do not want to miss them. So once we are done with our running stitch, I'll pull towards the center, and from here onwards it will all be fun all the way. So all you need to do is to twist and check how it's coming out. Just use your discretion, play with it, have fun with it. However you want it, twist and check. That is all I'm doing now. I'm just twisting on itself to see how it looks. I'll try another twist, see how it looks, and when I'm okay with the look, then I'll stitch it down with my needle and thread to secure it in place. So you too can do the same thing. You twist, see how it comes out. If you like it the way it is, then stitch down and hold in place. So it's simple and easy, just how you want your final look to be on your headband. Just give it a look, twist it to whatever shape you want. If you like it that way, hold it down and stitch down. That is what I'm doing now. I'm just twisting, taking a look how it comes out, then I'll just stitch and hold down in place. So when I'm done stitching and holding, I'm done now. I'll just attach to my headband, and this was the handmade headband I did. So I'll just attach. You'll be needing an Alice headband or any headband of your choice, but for me I'll be using my handmade headband. So I'll just attach the crinoline to the headband. So we are almost done. When we are done with attaching to the headband, I'll now attach the brooch to the headband, and that is almost it. Then we'll get set to see the outcome, how beautiful it will be looking. I'm always so excited when I'm making a design, so I'm already excited for the outcome. So once we are done, you just give it a knot and tie. That will be it. Just give it a knot, tie to keep in place. Then we are almost done. So just try out any form you want. Try out any form you want, see how it comes out. Add more designs to it. You can add more embellishment to it. You can add feathers to it. You can add roses to it, but I'm just using a brooch. That's how I want it to be. So please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. And if you try out this headwear, you can share your images with us on our Instagram page at ibisfinecrafties. So we share and encourage others to get crafting. So I'll just attach my headband. Finally, I went with this leaf-shaped brooch. So I'll be attaching it with my UHU glue to it. Yay, this is the final outcome, just looking elegant. I'm so loving this headwear. So please, thank you for watching, and always remember, be creative and stay elegant. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.